let's go ahead and get started then. Welcome everyone. Welcome to our webinar for the month. And today we're going to be talking about automating healthcare and develop a medication scheduling document with UniDoc. So we are Alip. He's our full stack developer. He's going to be doing the presentation and going through codes and everything. And my name is Maria. I'm the COO here at UniDoc. So I'm just going to be here quickly sharing a little bit about who we are, what we do, and the products that we offer. And after that, I'm going to pass it over to Ali, who's going to be explaining how the everything works. So UniDoc is pretty much a Golang management documentation that would allow you to automate a lot of your processes. We offer UniPDF. UniPDF is pretty much the performance that builds using pure Golang language. And we use template features and XML like language to process these templates. One second. So for this presentation, the templates that we're going to provide right now, they're a new way of building PDF files. And we're using the components available in the UniPDF creator package. So the aim of templates is to just make the creation of complex layouts a lot easier, faster, and just by writing less codes. So if no new data is required, you guys can use the template files and they can be modified without the need to rebuild this application. So the requirements for this, for you guys to be able to use the templates is the Go programming language installed. We recommend you to use the minimum of v1.18. Also get installed. This is optional. Then we have UniDoc offline license or UniCloud API key. And then you guys will see how you can create the document design. So I'm going to pass it over to Alip. So I guess going really quick right here, this is kind of like the way the document will look. And so now Ali will explain the part of the code.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. So basically, as mentioned by Maria, we require the medication schedule document design. And previously, we have seen how it's the result when it's being on PDF. So right now, the code example. So our complete code for this webinar is available on our example repository here. There is a link to it. You can see the full code regarding it. And then if you have Git installed, you can clone our repository for UniPDF example. So basically, the command is pretty straightforward. And then you can navigate to templates directory. You can see how to use the template feature there and its documentation. But for this medical schedule example, just navigate to medication schedule report directory. And you can just simply run the code to run it. And yeah, moving on to the next slide. So yeah, basically here inside the medication schedule report directory, you will see this structure. There is a templates folder and REST folder also there, which is store the font and other static file like barcode, and then some icon, if any. And then you shoot the footer.tpl main.tpl, which is our template file extension. And then there is data.json, which is store the patient data and schedule for medication. And then there is the main go file, which is pdf_medication_schedule.go, which is the main go file. And there is unipdf-medication-schedule.pdf is the result when you run the main go file. And moving on to next slide. So yeah, basically the templates directory contains the .tpl file, and there is a rest directory also. And yeah, as there is a data.json that holds the data regarding the patient information, start and end medication, and then its schedule also, which is the information will be processed inside our main.go function. And thus the data from data.json will be injected into variable within the main template. So yeah, basically we call the main.template file and process it with our template system, which is replace and process the element there. So basically we can just go for our complete code in that link for pdf medication schedule.go. So here is the complete Go code, which is runnable, and this is actually same as in our example repository. You see there is a medical data information, which is all patient data, start and end date for its medication. So yeah, basically we still use the creator package from UniPDF, and then along the way we load fonts and template option there, and yeah, we read the data.json to replace the variable with data from .json. And yeah, after that we write the result into UniPDF medication schedule PDF. So basically to run the code is just simply run pdf medication schedule.go. You will get the PDF result. And yeah, that's it from me. And thank you.
Perfect. Thank you, Alip. Okay, well, if any of you have any questions, please do so. We will be sharing this document with all the information, including access to the template. But if you guys have any questions, this is the moment. Alip can definitely ask you for it. Otherwise, you guys can also register to our UniCloud for free, where you guys can test it out or just, see how you can put that into place. And but we're also going to be sharing this with y'all. And if you guys have any questions, concern, you can send us an email to sales@uni.io, and we will be glad to answer all of your questions. Now, No one has questions? Good. Well, Asif will be sending all of this to everyone who attended the webinar. And yeah, you guys need anything from us, just reach us out whenever you want. And we'll be glad to help you. Thanks everyone for joining. You guys have a wonderful day.